This is Lily's piano of the future. Lily, hurry up. She's a crazy bitch.
I'm gonna stick my hair in the ceiling.
In a silly band?
Ceiling fan.
Oh god. Hurry up. They want to see your piano.
Oh, I love my hair. Okay.
Okay, tell them how your piano's gonna work.
Did you show them the picture?
Yeah, I showed them the
Okay, that's a piano. You know why I know? Because I know. Okay, so that's the circle right there.
Just go.
Okay, and then you go like this.
Jose.
You go like this under, cause you know, yeah. And then there's like different type of keys. Okay, so there's this one key, and then you go like that.
Go in
Okay.
circles.
And then no. Oh shit! Wait. And the other one, you can go. Oh shit! But it doesn't matter if you get dizzy, of course. Wait, let's keep on with our things.
Let's see what this girl has.
Other people always let you down. Why? Oh. Look at this bitch with her turtle. Oh. No, I don't want to. Look at this bitch with no nose. When he was little. I got you now. Never give it back. Hello.
They had that in the Justin Bieber book. Who's down to fuck?
Me, I'm down
To fuck
fish.
him.
Cheerleading. Sucks. Oh, I know him.
Okay, can I like stop recording now so I can put it on Facebook?